So, quick little tip here, guys. If you got a, second-gen Toyota pickup like I do, excuse how filthy it is, and your door handles are all like worn out, or they're some ugly random brown one someone found, the previous owner, you can go on Amazon, and the Nissan hardbody panels, or handles, excuse me, they fit. There's our first hole and there's our second hole, and it lines up. Oop. So yeah, Nissan hardbody door handles will fit, and they look pretty good. I'm gonna have to get more screws for these, and I lost one of the inserts, but I'll take a picture afterwards on how this looks. Not bad though. I think $20 or so. I'll post a link to them.